Hello guys, good morning. Good morning po. Welcome back to my channel. For today's vlog, today is day 5. Today is Friday. Wait lang guys. Today is Friday, March 15, and I'm currently here at the hospital para kumuha ng supplies ng alaga ko, medical supplies. So currently, I'm here in the basement 1, and unfortunately, kanina kasi sarado yung daan papunta sa basement 2, which is sa B2 yung supplies. So, nakuha ko naman yung supplies. Nandun na sa lobby, nag-aantay dun sa baba. But, I need to go down kasi ang dami nun. So, busy din yung staff. So, let's go. We need to go down. Kailangan natin bumaba, guys. Ako lang pala. Kailangan pumunta sa B2. Buti nga ang bilis lang makakuha ng supplies ngayon kasi last time. Actually, this is my first time na kumuha ng medical supplies dito. Kasi before sa dati kong work, sa dati kong employer, ako din yung kumukuha ng supplies. So, this is the first time for this family that I work. And ang bilis lang. Pero nung kumuha kami ni Madam last time, ang tagal. Parang inabot ata ng 1 hour. Sa bagay, depende. Siguro pag talagang busy, pag talagang madaming kumukuha ng medical supplies. So, yun. So, saan na ba tayo? Wait lang, guys. Ito. After this naman, wala na akong hindi, sa kabila pala. After this, wala naman na. Susunduin ko na lang yung dalaga sa school. And babalik ulit ako dito sa hospital kasi meron akong check-up. Pero later pa naman yun. Sana hindi ako ma-late kasi very conflict yung time. And itong hospital kasi malayo-layo siya dun sa bahay ng employer ko. So, I hope na hindi ako malate mamaya dun sa kabila. So, yun guys. Pupunta muna ako dun sa reception or sa door. Iniwan na lang kasi dun sa labas yung medical supplies. Where we are. Oh yeah, there. So I need to go there. It's a wrong way, pero close kasi. Ba't kasi nila sinara yung... Anyway guys, sinarado kasi nila yung daan dito. So, wrong way yung ano. Anyway, dito yung supplies. Wait lang guys. Magpo-park lang tayo guys. Ay, hindi ako lampan. Magpo-park lang ako. Hindi ko makita. So yeah, here. Let's go. So ito yung supplies guys. See, ang dami.
चार बॉक्स एक पैकेट में 374.
Thank
मोबाइल
you.
नंबर असेल ना?
Thank you so much. Brother, if there's no space, you can put here inside because I can't see the mirror. Thank you, brother. Yan na guys, nakuha na natin yung supplies. So, uwi na tayo. Pasensya na kayo, may breakout ako. So, andito pala ako sa Sheikh Shakbut Khalifa Hospital dito sa Shakbut City, Abu Dhabi. Pero dati kasi kumukuha ako ng supply sa Khalifa Hospital mismo, sa city mismo sa Abu Dhabi. Pero since meron lang hospital dito, kumbaga hinati na nila. Kasi everything was in Khalifa Hospital before long time. So anyway guys, magde-drive muna tayo. So wait, dot muna tayo. So I'll get back to you guys later. See you. Hi guys, it's me, I'm back. So funny, really funny. I went to the hospital because I have appointment. And I went to the wrong hospital. Sobrang na-shock ako pagdating ko dun sa counter na what I'm doing here. I'm supposed to be to another hospital. And look guys, I look tired. And na-stress ako doon kasi I have a appointment to specialist, to ENT. So, I'm kind of stressed. Na-stress talaga ako kasi yun nga, na-hospital kasi ako last time. So, talagang kailangan talaga siyang ipa-check up talaga. And then, I just went to the wrong hospital. What happened to me? Non-stop kasi yung drive ko since in the morning. So, parang hindi nag-function yung utak ko. May mistake. So, I try my best to go to the hospital where I have appointment, but I know I can make it kasi malayo talaga siya. So, I don't wanna take a risk. I don't wanna drive fast. So, the only thing I can do is to reschedule my appointment. So, I reschedule my appointment next week, Friday. Kasi Friday lang talaga yung pwede kong makuhang time. So, yun. Next week na lang yung appointment ko sa specialist. So, next week ko na lang din, excuse me, next week ko na lang din siguro sasabihin kung ano yung, kung bakit I need to see a specialist. So anyway, that's the vlog for today so far. So, let me see later kung ano pa yung, baka may biyahe pa ako, may utos pa ako. May utos pa si madam. But unfortunately, I want to take a rest kasi talagang since this morning around 8, talagang yung biyahe ko tuloy-tuloy. Now it's 1 o'clock in the afternoon. So, I want to take a rest for a while. So, I will get back to you soon, guys, for another update. Thank you for watching. See you around. Take care. Bye. Bye.